Yeah, so I'm doing a quick drive. It's a 12 minutes drive, and everywhere is icy, everywhere is slippery today. So let's see how it handles. Today's drive, I think I have for autopilot. You know what? Because it's of the conditions, I'm gonna put it in 0 maximum speed offset. I'm gonna put it in chill as well. Oh, okay. Drives in slower lane. Drives at normal speed. Drives at normal speed. I'm gonna leave it in standard. Hurry is drive faster. Oh, okay. No. So let me see where it wants to go through. Okay, the highway. Okay, easy. So it is a really cold day. Really cold. It's minus 16 right now. Feels like minus 24. To be fair, it's not hugging the road shoulder today, even though like the lane markings are not clear. So the part that annoys me the most about winter is how dirty the cars become, and you can't even wash it. You can't do anything. It's crazy. you see all that white stuff? It is all slippery. Here in Calgary, they use sand and salt to de-ice the road, or sort of they spray it on the road in winter when after a snowfall. That's why you see it's very dirty, very, very dirty. Yeah. Even with how unclear it is, the fact that it's still able to move. Okay. My glasses fell off, and I think it's no. going at 50 and it feels like it's going so slow, like it's going at 20. This car can be deceptive, you know. It can be deceptively fast. Now here, it always makes a mistake. It's gonna switch to the right lane, then want to go back into the left lane. Or is it not gonna make the mistake today? Okay, it's not making it today. Okay. Proved me wrong the first time. Now, I don't know if you guys can see, it is supposed to go straight across this, just straight ahead. The other time, it took me, it went left, and then, you know, it went left and then went around and then coming from here. You know, went here, went around and then coming from here. So, let's see what it's gonna do today. Let me zoom it so you guys can see. Yeah. So today is almost like the first time where I would drive like end to end and I won't get warnings that I should pay attention or something. Okay. Does a good job. You know, didn't go into the lane it should not. A pedestrian is about to cross. This guy has gone onto the line. The pedestrian will have to avoid him. Yeah. It's a four-way stop. Yeah, okay. Respected that. So, good job. Let me choose where I want to park in. Okay. Let me choose where I want to park in. I don't want to go in there. Yeah, I'll still let it park. Well, at least I'm choosing it. So that's that. It was a smooth ride, end to end. Did everything. I only intervened now because I just do not want to park in there. I want to park here, so that I can, you know, drive off easily when I'm ready to go. But yeah, another demonstration that FSD works. Yeah, works just fine. So let me know if you guys have any questions, any suggestions. I'll see you guys on the next one. Cheers.